Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create unique custom layouts for cart and checkout pages of your shop directly in the page builder. Cart and checkout pages are by far one of the most important pages in an online store. On these pages, the customer gets an overview of the products he wants to purchase and completes the purchase process. Having the option to customize the layout of this pages is crucial for achieving the best conversion results, reducing the abandoned purchases and maximizing the user experience. Thanks to TheGem's unique cart and checkout builder, now you have the ability to design cart and checkout pages exactly as you need it. Let's start with the basics. WooCommerce creates cart and checkout pages automatically during the installation process. I can check it in the list of my pages. As you can see, both pages have been already created and correctly assigned as cart and checkout pages. In case you cannot find this pages in the list of your pages, simply add this pages in WordPress and insert the WooCommerce shortcodes for cart and checkout respectively. Here is the example of cart shortcode. And here is the example of checkout shortcode. After adding these pages, all you have to do is go to WooCommerce, Settings, Advanced, and choose these pages in the cart page and checkout page fields. By default, WooCommerce uses a built-in generic template for cart and checkout pages. Let's check an example. This shop currently uses TheGem's built-in layout for cart and checkout. Normally, to modify the layout of cart and checkout pages, you would need to edit the code of this template. TheGem Templates Builder solves this limitations. Before starting to create cart and checkout templates, I highly recommend you to add some products to your cart first. These products will be used to display the elements like cart table, cart totals, etc. to make it easier to modify the design of these elements. To create new cart template, I go to TheGem Templates Builder and select Cart tab. Then I click on Add New. The Templates Builder pop-up appears asking to specify the template name. After entering the template's name, I click on Create Template. Editor starts loading. Please note, in the editor, you will see that the TheGem Cart Builder group of content elements. These are the cart-specific content elements, commonly used by designing the cart page. So, let's start building my cart template. For this video tutorial, I will recreate this cart and checkout design. I start by adding the cart and checkout breadcrumbs. This is the dynamic element which highlights the current step in the checkout journey of the customer. This element has two pre-built styles to choose from, both of which can be customized. Next, I add the inner section and adjust the column's width to match my design. In the first column, I add WooCommerce notices as the first element. Normally, WooCommerce notices are not visible and are triggered by cart update or errors. All notices can be easily customized. Next, I will add a text box with an incentive or call to action like free shipping for registered customers. Let's change the content to match my needs. At this point, it is important to note that this element should be visible only to customers who are not logged in. So I need to adjust the visibility condition for my text box. I go to the Advanced tab, scroll down to the TheGem options, and in the setting, Visible for users, I select Only logged out users. Now I add the first most important cart element, Cart Table. Cart Table lists all the products added to the cart. You can choose between two pre-built layouts. Control the column headers and apply coupon section. Additionally, you can choose the method of updating the cart. By default, WooCommerce has an Update Cart button which should be clicked to update the cart totals once product quantity has been changed. By activating the Update Cart Automatically field, the cart will be updated automatically each time the quantity changes and the update cart is hidden. In the Style tab, I can make many additional style adjustments to get the desired look of my cart table. Good, now let's check the second column of my intersection. I want to adjust the background color of this column. And add the second most important cart element, cart totals. This element displays the summary of my order amount and gives an option to calculate the shipping. As you can see, there are many customization options for adjusting the appearance of this element. Let's quickly adjust the colors. I don't like the size of the default checkout button used in this element. So, I disable this button here in Cart Totals element and add the Gem button element instead. When used in the Cart Builder, the Gem button element automatically links to the checkout page. I can see it here. Of course, I can specify any other custom link by selecting Custom URL in the Link Type field. Good, now I will make some style adjustments to get my button to look as in the example I am recreating. Great! Now I just add the border to the intersection to match the look in the example. Next, I wish to add cross-sell products to be displayed below the cart. Adding cross-sell products on the cart page is highly recommended as it can lead to increasing the order amount of the purchase. In WooCommerce, cross-sell products can be defined for each product in the Linked Products section. Once this product is added to the cart, its cross-sells will be displayed on the cart page. To display cross-sell products in my cart template, I can use Products Grid or Products Carousel elements. After adding these elements to the cart builder, they automatically display the cross-sell products. I can check it in the Products Source field. If needed, you can change this selection to make a custom product selection, displaying products by categories, attributes, tags, and by manually selected products. Of course, you can style the appearance of products in this grid using numerous customization options of Products Grid elements. Let's quickly make some adjustments. Now, let's preview my cart template. Amazing! Everything looks good. Okay, the cart template is ready. Let's create the checkout template now. The first steps are identical to the cart template. From my WordPress dashboard, I go to the Gem Templates Builder. But now here I select the Checkout tab and click on Add New. The same Templates Builder pop-up appears, where I specify the name of the checkout template. And click on Create. In the editor, I can see the Gem Checkout Builder group of elements. These are the checkout-specific elements used to design the checkout layout. My checkout layout should look in the same style as my cart design. Let's check it again. Good. I start by adding the checkout steps element and the intersection, exactly in the same way as by creating the cart template. The first element in my left column will be the checkout errors element. It has the same purpose as the WooCommerce notices element in the cart template. It displays WooCommerce checkout verification messages and errors. Okay, now I want to add the customer login element. This element enables the customer to log into his account from the checkout page. This element is visible only for customers who are not logged in. Here in the editor, it is represented by the dummy container. In the Style tab of this element, you can adjust the appearance of the customer login text and pop-up which appears once the customer clicks on the login link. Next to the customer login element, I will place the Apply Coupon element. This element adds the option to use the coupon code on the checkout page. Great! Now let's add the Billing Details element. It contains a form with various fields for submitting the billing details of the customer. It has two built-in layouts and many styling options for customizing the form. I quickly make a few adjustments. Okay, what about the shipping details? Sure, it should be added to the checkout template as well. I select the shipping details element and insert it just below the billing details. Similar to the billing details element, this element contains the form with various fields for submitting the shipping details. Good, my first column is ready and I start editing the second column. I change the background color to meet the look of my cart template. Next, I insert the order review element. This element displays the order summary and can be customized using multiple style options in the Style tab. Below the order review, I add the payment methods element. Exactly as in the case of my cart template, I don't like the size of the default place order button in this element. So, I disable this button here in the cart totals element. And add the TheGem button element instead. When used in the checkout builder, the TheGem button element automatically links to the place order action. I can see it here. Additionally, as you can see, there are more linking options available in the TheGem button if used in the checkout template, like linking to a cart page, to the customer login form, coupon form, and an option to specify a custom link. All these options can be very useful, for example, if you wish to place the back to cart button. Good, now I will make some style adjustments to get my button look as in the example I am recreating. Great. Now I just add the border to the inner section to match the look of my cart template. Done. Let's preview my checkout template. I like the result. Now, as both cart and checkout templates are ready, let's see how to apply these templates to the cart and checkout pages of my shop. To activate the cart and checkout templates, I go to Theme Options. WooCommerce. Cart and Checkout. Here, in the Cart Layout source, I select Templates Builder. And in the field Cart Layout Template, I select the cart template I have created. I scroll down to the Checkout section and repeat the steps. In the Checkout Layout source, I select Templates Builder and select my checkout template. Okay, now I save my changes. Let's check how my templates work in action. I switch to the front end and click on the cart icon in my header. One moment, where is the call to action box I have added to my cart template? Right, this box is not showing because I am logged in. As we can see, the cart template has been successfully applied. I click on Proceed to Checkout and land on the checkout page. Great, the checkout template has been successfully applied as well. Besides the cart and checkout templates, I can also create a template for the empty cart. To create the empty cart template, I go to the TheGem Templates Builder. And here I select Global Section tab. Global sections are the content sections which can be globally used as page sections across the website. So I just need to create a template here by clicking on Add New. And after the template has been created, I just need to apply this template in Theme Options. WooCommerce. Cart and Checkout. I change the layout source for the empty cart to Templates Builder. And select the respective template in Empty Cart Template field. That's all. The TheGem Templates Builder comes with the solid library of pre-built templates to accelerate your work. There is no need to create the cart and checkout templates from scratch. You can use the pre-built cart and checkout templates and modify them to your needs. In order to use pre-built templates, in Templates Builder pop-up, just click on Insert Pre-built Template and select the template which match your requirements. You can also use the TheGem blocks to insert the cart and checkout templates directly in the editor. Amazing! Thanks to the TheGem's Templates Builder, it is possible to create custom-tailored cart and checkout layouts directly in the page builder without touching a line of code. These layouts can be easily applied in Theme Options with a few clicks. This gives outstanding flexibility by choosing and implementing designs for your cart and checkout pages. Get the full design control over your shop with the TheGem.